Land Rover, 2021 Land Rover, Range Rover base model. This one has 26,514 miles. All right, this is how you open the hood. See that guy over there? Just pull it like so. That's how you open the hood. All right, come on, let's do it. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change in this baby. All right, come on, let's get it. Shout out to everybody in the building. Loveville, pause. Yeah. 2021 3.0 liter. Here's the thing, all right? That's how you open the hood. Down here, oil cap, engine oil cap, 0W20. That's what you're gonna pour in this baby. All that it says, let me double check. All right, all that it says 9.3 quarts. That's 8.8 liters. But you do what you gotta do, no chain. Let's go. Let's drain the oil. All right, we're here at the bottom. We're gonna remove this, guys. Like what is it, like a 4, 7, 9 bolts? You see them over there, right? All of that. Okay. You come down here, it's gonna be 13, right? What you think about that oil? Well, if you ask me, it's about to change it. I wouldn't go. I would go, like, if I need to, I would go another 1,000, but just change it. You know what I'm saying? 13 millimeter for that. Oil drain plug, 13 millimeter. 2021 Land Rover, Range Rover, double exhaust. You see the suspension. You see the EPB. The tank. See what's up. Front brakes. Suspension. I put the oil drain plug back, and I'll tighten it. Put the cover back. By the way, there's like right here. There's like 2 more bolts. Okay, it's in the front. I get to the oil filter. Pop this cover. Put it to the side. Move this. You see it right here. This guy right here. All right. For this oil filter, it's gonna be 27 millimeter socket, or yeah, 27. I'm gonna pull it out. When I replace it, just pull it out. Change it. Put it back. Filter right here. Right? Just pop it in. Like so. Put it back. Lube it. Lube the rings. Lube the rings. Some WD-40. Grease. Whatever. Put it back. I'll show you what filter this is, by the way. I tied it with the 27 millimeter socket. All right. Put the cover back. You see this? Those are your guys. I'm just gonna go in here. All right. I have a few. You have one over here, one over there. Feel me? I'll put the funnel over there. Put 9.3 quarts, or 9 or 8.8 liters. Done with the oil, put the oil cap back. Start the car, let the oil go through the whole system. Shut it down. Pull out the dipstick. Wipe it. dip it again, pull it out. That's how you're gonna have the reading. Should be right here. Alright, and that's it. Oh, this is the oil filter, by the way. It's the part number. Kings. Alright. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoy. This was how to do the oil change in a 2021 Land Rover, Range Rover. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this car. And you know where to find me. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Pause. If you want to extra support the channel, right below there's a heart. It says Super Thanks. Click on it. It's going to ask you for a tip. Show your love. And I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Pause. I leave it right here. Thank you for watching. It's me, Stu Purum. Audi. Yeah. Alright guys, I forgot to tell you how to reset the oil life in this 2021 Land Rover, Range Rover. All you gotta do is open the hood, you know, it's over there. Press the button, open the door, step on the brake pedal for 3 seconds, then the gas. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, gas. You see that? Service resetting. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And it's gonna tell you when it's done. There you go. Alright. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby. Thank you for watching. It's me, Stu Bruno. Audi. Yeah.